So in this video, we're going to discuss about what is freelancing, how you can earn, and how much you can earn, and how you can learn different freelancing skills. And freelancing is the thing where you are boss of your own selves, and you have to sell your skills on different freelancing platforms like Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, or Guru.com. And the next question is how you can learn that particular skill. Well, there is a government platform called Score. They offer all the skills for free, and I will give the link in the I button. It is somewhere around here or there, and you can go there, go to the link, and enroll, and you can get the training for free. The third thing is how much you can. The big and the most important question for all the unemployed people. Well, it depends upon your skill. If you have a good skill, then there are good chances that you can earn thousands of dollars. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get all the latest updates on my YouTube channel. Thank you.